Middle Colic Artery. 9 questions and answers. Is the middle colic artery a branch of the superior mesenteric artery? Yes, the middle colic artery is a branch of the superior mesenteric artery. What does the middle colic artery supply? The middle colic artery supplies the transverse colon. In relation to the pancreas, how does the middle colic artery arise? The middle colic artery arises from just below the pancreas. Does the middle colic artery travel between the layers of the transverse mesocolon? Yes, the middle colic artery travels between the layers of the transverse mesocolon. Does the middle colic artery divide? Yes, the middle colic artery divides. How many branches does the middle colic artery divide into? The middle colic artery divides into 2 branches. What are the names of the 2 branches of the middle colic artery? The middle colic artery divides into the right and left branches. Which artery does the right branch of the middle colic artery anastomose with? The right branch of the middle colic artery anastomoses with the right colic artery. Which artery does the left branch of the middle colic artery anastomose with? The left branch of the middle colic artery anastomoses with the left colic artery.